The evolution of cruise ships is a fascinating journey through innovation, technology, and changing social trends. From their humble beginnings in the 19th century to the luxurious floating cities of today, cruise ships have transformed dramatically, reflecting advancements in engineering, shifts in tourism patterns, and evolving consumer expectations. The concept of leisure travel by sea can be traced back to the early 19th century. The first vessels designed specifically for passenger comfort were primarily steamships, which began to appear in the 1820s and 1830s. These early steamships, such as the PS Britannia, were primarily used for transatlantic crossings between Europe and the Americas. While they were revolutionary in terms of speed and reliability compared to sailing ships, their focus was largely on transportation rather than leisure. As the 19th century progressed, the notion of cruising as a leisurely activity started to take shape. In the mid-1800s, companies like the Cunard Line began offering regular voyages that catered to tourists looking for a more comfortable and enjoyable sea journey. One of the pivotal moments in this evolution was the launch of the Cunard Line's RMS Persia in 1866. This ship was designed with more amenities for passenger comfort, setting the stage for the development of cruise ships as we know them today. By the late 19th and early 20th centuries, cruise ships began to reflect a greater emphasis on luxury and leisure. The early 20th century saw the introduction of more opulent and spacious ships that included amenities such as dining rooms, lounges, and even swimming pools. The RMS Titanic, which sank on its maiden voyage in 1912, was an example of the grandeur and sophistication of ocean liners at the time, though its primary purpose was transatlantic travel rather than leisure cruising. The interwar years and the Great Depression had a significant impact on the cruise industry. Many ocean liners were repurposed or fell into disrepair, and the focus of the industry shifted back to practical and economic considerations. However, after World War II, there was a resurgence in interest in cruising as a leisure activity. The 1950s and 1960s marked a golden age for the cruise industry, with companies like Norwegian Cruise Line and Princess Cruises entering the market and expanding the notion of cruising from a means of transportation to a dedicated vacation experience. The post-war era saw significant advancements in ship design and technology. The introduction of larger and more sophisticated ships, such as the SS United States in 1952, demonstrated the possibilities of blending speed and luxury. The 1960s and 1970s continued this trend with the development of cruise ships that featured larger passenger capacities and a greater range of amenities, including gourmet dining, entertainment, and recreational facilities. In the 1980s, the cruise industry experienced a transformative shift with the advent of megaships and a focus on mass-market cruising. Companies like Carnival Cruise Lines pioneered this era with ships like the Carnival Destiny, which set new standards for size and amenities. The introduction of these large vessels allowed for more diverse itineraries, more affordable cruise options, and the ability to accommodate thousands of passengers. The 1990s and early 2000s saw the continued expansion of cruise ships, both in terms of size and the range of experiences offered. Ships became floating resorts, with features like water parks, rock climbing walls, and numerous dining options. This period also saw the rise of themed cruises and specialty itineraries, catering to a wide variety of interests from music and food to adventure and relaxation. In the 2010s, the cruise industry continued to innovate with the development of floating cities. Modern cruise ships are marvels of engineering, featuring everything from Broadway-style shows and high-end boutiques to extensive spa facilities and sophisticated technology. The Royal Caribbean's Oasis-class ships, such as the Oasis of the Seas, exemplify this trend with their impressive size and extensive onboard amenities. These ships are designed to offer a comprehensive vacation experience, combining the comforts of a luxury resort with the adventure of exploring multiple destinations. Sustainability has become a significant focus in recent years, driven by growing environmental concerns and the cruise industry's impact on natural resources. Modern cruise lines are investing in greener technologies, such as LNG, liquefied natural gas, propulsion, advanced waste treatment systems, and energy-efficient designs. The industry is also working to reduce its carbon footprint and improve its overall environmental performance. The COVID-19 pandemic had a profound impact on the cruise industry, leading to a temporary halt in operations and challenging the sector to adapt to new health and safety protocols. The pandemic underscored the importance of flexibility and resilience in the industry, prompting cruise lines to enhance their health measures and reconsider aspects of ship design and passenger experience to ensure safer travel in the future. Looking forward, the evolution of cruise ships will likely continue to be driven by technological advancements, environmental considerations, and changing passenger preferences. Innovations such as autonomous ships, advanced digital connectivity, and personalized experiences are poised to shape the future of cruising. The industry will need to balance its pursuit of luxury and innovation with a commitment to sustainability and responsible travel practices. In summary, the evolution of cruise ships reflects a dynamic interplay of technological progress, shifting consumer desires, and broader societal trends. From their origins as steam-powered passenger vessels to the sophisticated, environmentally conscious floating resorts of today, cruise ships have come a long way. The industry's ability to adapt and innovate will continue to shape its future, ensuring that cruising remains a popular and exciting way to explore the world. One of the most significant trends is the integration of advanced technology into the cruise experience. Modern cruise ships are increasingly incorporating cutting-edge technologies to enhance passenger experiences and streamline operations. For instance, smart ship technology is becoming more prevalent. This includes the use of IoT, Internet of Things, devices to optimize ship operations, improve energy efficiency, and provide personalized services to passengers.